Hello, my name is Ana Romero. I am 11 years old. Today I will talk about a tiger. It is an animal that lives in jungle, forests, and mangroves. Its size is large and it appears black and orange fur and white whiskers. Its last style is that there are solid animals with the exception of mothers and their cubs. A funny fact is they jump very high, they love contact with water, and they are excellent swimmers. It is the largest feline and they are faster than leopards. It feeds on meat and animals such as wild boars, deer, buffaloes, and beavers.